Good morning, traders. I'm just getting in for trading here for the day, and look at what it's doing. It's jumping up here. It's jumping up, and I'm looking to see. I'm looking to see if it's gonna give an entry, and it did. Go, baby, go. This should be an easy, quick 20 ticks. It's taken off for some reason. I don't know why, but whatever, it's just taken off. Code says go long. So I'm going long, but just for 20. I'm not going to risk going for more. I'm going to take more code entries. Okay, I'll come back. I'm going to set my stop is going to be, it's the full measure, full 20 ticks. So we're in it. Code says go long though. I'll come back. For a different perspective, look at where we are on the 10-minute. Okay, 10-minute chart here, right? The code gave a long entry right there to go long at the top of a 10-minute chart. So let's see, 50, 60, 70. Oh yeah, I need to go for way more than, see, because look, my entry's at 50, right? The top is like 65. So that puts my exit at 70. That's 5 ticks above the top. Once that top breaks, for whatever reason this thing's moving up like that, once that top breaks, this thing's going to go much higher. So I need to go for more ticks. I need to put it at least 10 more ticks. Yeah, 10 more ticks. That'll keep my math very high, but still be able to reach it. Yeah, I'm going to go for that. But let me think about this. No. I need to go for more than that. Yeah, I need to go for more than that. 80. Let me think about this. You know what? I'm just going to keep it there to keep the math really super high. So that's where I'll keep it. That's really super high up there. Okay, I'll come back. It's going to take a little while. I'll come back. Okay, I'm going to get a break-even stop on this at 53.51. 53.51. Break-even stop in place. Okay, there it goes. It's taken off. Where's my exit at? My exit is at 80. Where's the code? I'm just going to leave it there. This is high mathematics right here, so I'm just going to leave it there. Going with the high math. Now, I probably could get more out of this. I probably could get, even an extra 20 ticks out of it. Perhaps even more. 30 or 40. But I'm just going to keep the math really, really high. Okay, there it goes. Okay, one trade down. See that? For you code traders out there, you can see the benefit of, figuring out, what the code is and coming in and taking a precision level entry. I mean, it's not rocket science, right? Actually, it's pretty darn easy, isn't it? Anyway, I'll come back and take some more entries. Oh, but just to show you really quick what it did on the 10-minute. See, it just went straight up. I mean, this code gave a signal here to buy, which was at the top of the 10-minute chart, which, doesn't happen, super often. So when it does, it's sort of a special thing. And usually what that means is it'll go much higher, which it did. It went quite a bit higher there. And that's why I put my exit out there a little bit higher, because I knew that it was likely to do that. But the further you put it out, the lower your math is. If you keep it just out there a little bit, take some nice profit, but not too much, you keep your math high. And that's exactly what I just did. I put it at 80. I could have got 90, could have got an extra 10, could have got 95, an extra 15. But, the trick is also to get filled. Now it's probably going to go up. Let me take a look at the code. Actually, it might not. It might roll over here now. It might roll over. Let's go take a look at the daily. Yeah, it might roll over here now and then come down into code 2 and then give a short entry and go down. Or it'll shoot up into code 2 and then give another short entry to go down. I could do many different things from here, actually. Can't really be sure what it's going to do. Just follow the code. That's what I do. 100% follow the code. Code says go long, go long. Code says go short, go short. I don't care which way it goes. I could care less, because it makes no difference to me. The only way that I could care at all would be that the lower this thing goes, the cheaper gas gets for my car. So, that's about the only thing I can. Other than that, it makes no difference if it goes up or if it goes down. It just makes a difference of whether I got it going the right way or not. Got it going the wrong way, lose lots of money. Got it going the right way, make lots of money. Real easy, real simple. Trick is to get it going the right way with a high level of accuracy, and of course that's what the code represents. Okay, I am going to come back. I'm looking for an entry. I'm gonna take one again, and I'll come back when I do. Okay, I have just taken a short entry using code 1. We should get a good drop here. Let me calculate my stop. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm not going to need to here. It's just going to drop right into the exit. I'm going to place a break-even stop on this in a second. 53.25 on the break-even stop. Looking at the code, 53.25 on the break-even stop. Putting it in now. Okay, it's either going to make it to the exit here, or it's going to hit the break-even stop. One of the two. One of the two. But just to show you where we are, give you a better idea, a better perspective. This is why I always want to have like a 10-minute chart up and a daily chart up. This is where we are. So you see, the chart is moving, pressing down. So all it's got to do is just press down a little bit more, and it hits the exit. It came close right there, but not close enough. By the way, 26, 16 should be here. Not close enough, but all it's got to do is which way is it going? It's going down. All we got to do is sit here and hold it. And again, 20 ticks is always built into the code anyway. Doesn't always make it, but it's, mathematically that's what you want to go for. Coming back up on me here. Let me go take a look at something. Okay, this could take a while. I'm just gonna let it go. It'll either come up and hit that break-even stop like it's gonna do now, or it's gonna go down and hit the exit. Looks like this one doesn't want to give it to me. Nope. It doesn't want to give that one to me. Okay, let me look for another entry. I'll be back. Okay, I have taken a long position here. Code says go long. So, I have taken a long position and I am long. Let me calculate my stop and place it. I'll be right back. Okay, stops in place at 91. It's already going backwards on me. See if it wants to go. This thing is really acting crazy today. Wow. This thing's acting crazy. That's interesting. Okay, well, shucks. Can't catch a successful trade here. Okay. Well, That really surprised me. Okay, so I am going to, I still could get another trade. Maybe I could get another trade. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to call it a day. I just couldn't get anywhere today. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little bit, see if I can get another trade, but I probably won't, to be honest with you. And so, this probably is going to be the end of it right here. Some days are good days, some days not so good. At least I didn't lose money. So anyway, I'll be back to close out this, or I'm going to take one more trade. We'll see. Okay, I'm back. I don't think I'm going to get an entry today. I'm going to call it a day now. So, wasn't such a good day, but I'll do better tomorrow. So, I hope you traders are learning something and getting something out of this, especially you code traders, since you know the code. And you can see that, even though I know the code, sometimes I can struggle a little bit. So don't feel bad if you are. But it's all about, mathematics, about coming out ahead. And that's basically, what the code represents, obviously. So I will be back tomorrow. Hope you traders are doing well. And now it wants to go down. That other trade that I made, if I just would have kept it when it hit the break-even stop, I would have made a successful trade. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? What can I do? And then the other one doesn't make it, of course. Funny. But that's the way it works, right? I mean, you have to be able to roll with the punches. As long as you can come out ahead, you're doing good. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading out there.